Okay, so today's video is about how to install gmxMMPBSA into your account. So the first thing we need to make sure is that we have a Conda installation in our user. So if you don't have one, then you can follow this mini Conda installation. This is a like smaller miniature version of Anaconda, so this would also work just fine. So you just have to run these three commands, and once you like select yes and no and do all these things, and then you should be easily being installing this miniconda 3. Once that is done, you have to initiate that conda environment. So for example, after installation is done, you should be having some screen like this. You just have to write bash, and then you would see that it will start showing this base, like it will write this base here. So this means that you are now in the base in conda environment. So we now want to go and install our stuff. So to do that, we need to first download this env this YAML file. There are a couple of these dependencies that it will install: Python, pip, numpy, ambertools, mpi4py, matplotlib, scipy, and parmet. Then pandas, seaborn, and these stuff. It will download these stuff. What we will do is we'll just copy all of it, and we will go to our terminal and we will paste it here inside a file. So we'll just call YAML. So I've already copied it previously, so I'll just deleted everything now, copied everything back, and this should be it. One more thing that we will do is we will add here gmx underscore MMPBSA. So I think this should be it. So we will just save this file. We will do module load GROMAX 2023.3. We have now loaded that. Also, we will now just continue. Now we will just say conda env create env.yaml, and this will now go on and create the conda environment named gmxMMPBSA, and it will also install the gmxMMPBSA installer inside it. So we now have to wait about 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll continue after that. Okay, so the other thing is, if you want, you can also leave out the chromatics from the um, this YAML file. So you can also remove this line here that says chromatics installation. Okay, so now it's already done. Okay, so now it says that it's been over. So we'll just try conda activate as it is written here, gmxPBSA. As you see that if the conda installation is properly done, then you should be transferring from a base conda environment to a gmxMMPBSA environment. And now if you write gmx underscore MMPBSA and then probably test, or maybe if you do, what do you call it, help, then you can see that now the MMPBSA is working fine. So thank you for watching this video. If you need more help, then just comment on the video's comment section. Thank you so much.